Empowering you with real advice, no BS from the industry experts.
Hi, you're here because you have many questions about mass comm and whether you have a future in this pathway. Hi, I'm Banting, your host, along with Mr. Ken and Mr. James from the Mass Communication Department in UCSI. What's up, guys? First question, let's go!
Okay, the future is very bright and you are talking about diversification. The strength of mass communication is where the graduates have a very wide range of job opportunities. So when you graduate, have so many choice in terms of jobs to choose from different industry, be it film industry, journalism industry, or even marketing communication industry, and we have all of this, and we train our students to equip themselves to fit into these industries itself, so that they know what they're getting themselves into. So diversification is good. So when people talk about it, so what? Yeah.
I think no, because I think people usually see mass comm as people who kind of can communicate, good communicators, actors, DJs and all these, But I think behind the scenes, there are many introverts involved. People who work as cinematographers, writers, sound recording on the technical side. So I think the industry needs more introverts. So it really doesn't exclude introverts from the industry.
Technology play a role in our everyday lives. We cannot escape from it. That is the reason why in all our syllabus in the classroom or outside the classroom, we train our students to be critical thinkers, to be innovators, to think out of the box, etc., etc., etc.
Now we live in a more fluid society as well, with ideas coming from and concepts like transmedia storytelling, where you use data and you need to use multiple platforms, to work with technology to tell stories, to reach a wider audiences. In the future, we will need more storytellers, create more human stories, authentic experiences, I think, because that's the future whereby you need to humanize the technology. We need people to interpret that and to package that. And that's, I think, the future. It's really bright in the communications industry.
Now you know what mass comm is really about. Hope you're empowered by this video. If you have any questions, dial us up via this hotline. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.